What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well, guys. We're gonna go over our friend Fantom. Currently, we're sitting at $3.01. We're sitting at a market cap of 7.56 billion. 24-hour volume 1.54 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. Incredible commercial with Matt Damon. They also bought a Super Bowl commercial. They own the Staples Center, which is now Crypto.com Arena. World's fastest crypto growing app. Can grow one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto. Free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level of card that you have, and $25 just for signing up through my referral. So let's hop into Fantom, guys. We're going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. Let me quickly pop open the money flow. All right, so here we are, guys, on the 1 hour time frame. So we've seen a nice little push up from our take profit zone at 297. We are having that bearish divergence, and it does look like it's starting to play out on the hourly. You can see money is flowing right out of Fantom. Bearish divergence as well. So if we do come down, I have moved up our first buy zone to 268, which lines up, let me scroll back here, it lines up with this swing high right here. So we may come down to 268. Now, of course, that isn't promised, guys. Fantom can bounce right off 297, or we can do a little something like this where we just, where we just come back down to the 55 EMA and we see a bounce back to the upside. However, for me, guys, I always like to wait until we drop down to at least halfway or lower on the 4 hour RSI before I start to dollar cost average into my trades. I mean, there is a ton of bullish momentum right now for Fantom, but as you can see here, we have created a higher high while creating a lower high on the money flow, and that's what we did right here. We created a higher high while creating a lower high on the money flow before we saw a little bit of pullback. So I'm just going to close this real quick. But the bulls are very, very strong. A lot of bullish strength, a lot of bullish volume here, guys. So, of course, we can find support along the EMAs. I closed half my trade at 297, and I let the rest ride. Even if we reach 346, we trend higher. My buy zones are moving up with the price. So when it starts to come down, I lock in my profits and I re-enter into my trade. So there's never a time that I'm not trading. I always have money in my trade, which I'm sure you're not really going to find with many other trading strategies. I just close half. I let the rest ride. My buy zones are coming up. It comes down, lock in the rest of the profits, re-enter the trade. So there's never a time that I'm not in my trade for our friend Fantom or any coin that we're covering on the channel, right, guys? So our next take profit zone is 346, but if we do see a retracement here, watch the EMAs, the 20 as well as the 55. And as I was mentioning yesterday on the MACD, we've had multiple rejections from this level where we saw retracements. So we could see a little bit of pullback, but if we do continue to just explode here, do watch 346, which was the previous all-time high. Let's see how long it took Fantom to reach previous, or very close to our previous all-time high. About 15 days, 2 weeks, guys. 2 weeks, we've just absolutely exploded from our breakout here. 138%, basically 140%, which is just absolutely insane. And we made some juicy trades. And we're in one right now. I'll throw mine up on the screen. Our first entry was here at 210. So we're up on our trade 50%, guys, from this high. 50%, absolutely insane. We just had a 70-80% trade right here, and now we're up 50% once again, which is absolutely incredible. If you want early access to these charts, not only for Fantom but for many coins, join the Discord. It's the price of a coffee. The DCA charts, as well as 1,000 members, talking all things crypto. 350 USD. There's my little profit. 110% for Fantom, not too bad. All right, guys, so we'll jump over to our next chart. So you can see here we're on the daily. We've reached the 1.618, and you see these wicks that are shooting up here. That can be an early sign that you will see a little bit of a move back down, because what it signifies is the bulls are running out of strength. They're trying to push up the price, but the bears are like, I don't think so, and they push it back down. It works the other way around. You can see right here, the bears tried to push the price down. The bulls were like, I don't think so, and we exploded. Right here, the bulls are trying to push the price up. The bears are like, I don't think so. We went through a correction. So those wicks, not always, sometimes you can see continuation, but they can be an early indicator of a small pullback or a little bit of a correction here. But we've had the bullish cross, as I've been mentioning, for the last couple weeks. This is a massive signal of a pump. I absolutely loaded my bags when we had the bullish cross, and then I dollar cost average out of my trades, and then I re-enter, and and every time I take profits, I'm also reinvesting it into my buy zones. So with each successful trade, or with each successful 2 or 3 trades, I'm increasing my buy zones, which is increasing my profits. All right, guys, if we look on this chart here, you can see we've hit resistance exactly on this trend line, previous level of support, and we've come right up to it and hit it as resistance. So if we break through it, guys, we might see continuation, but we are breaking a little bit away from the EMAs here. So a small pullback would be healthy and would also give us a beautiful opportunity to get in right around 268. But of course, I never close my entire trade. If we bounce here, I still have half my position in Fantom from 210 to scoop up those juicy gains. All right, guys. So that's basically it for FTM. Bull run targets. The 2 extension 592, and I don't see Fantom having any problem reaching $10, which is the 2.272 on this bull run, especially if we see Bitcoin go to 100k, 150k. I mean, Fantom's just doing so well. Hopefully it pulls a Solana. That would be amazing. All right, guys, that's it for Fantom. Quick shout out to the Discord, over 1,000 members talking all things crypto, and the DCA charts are available at all times for many projects: Fantom, Sand, Gala, Mana, Matic, VeChain, Solana. And if you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit. You can receive up to $4,100 in bonuses. I have a full length tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.